Are you exhausted and broke? Today's lovely libation is for you. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Take it from Jan and Dean, summer means fun. But if the good times are killing you and your bank account, it might be time for a night off. This lovely libation, which comes to us from 1964's Maxwell House Coffee Cookbook, has lots of coffee to perk you up for more fun in the sun. To make several servings, all you do is combine 1½ cups brewed coffee, 1½ teaspoons instant coffee powder, 1/4 cup creme de cacao, 1/4 cup cognac, 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar, and 2 twists of lemon rind, along with 1/4 cup cream if you like. Shake with ice and strain into cocktail glasses. All that caffeine is also great before an evening on the dance floor. Drink up, there's lots more summer ahead. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook for another of our Liquored Up live broadcasts. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!